Have you ever heard people talk about the stock market and thought, this is too complicated for me? Maybe you're afraid you'll lose money, or you simply don't know where to begin. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to take you from complete beginner to someone who understands how the stock market works, how to invest wisely, and how to grow your money step by step. This is a full crash course, designed to make stock investing simple and actionable, even if you've never bought a stock before. What is the stock market? Let's start with the basics. The stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares, or small pieces of ownership, in companies. When you buy a stock, you're not just putting money into a company, you're actually becoming a part owner of that business. If the company grows and becomes more valuable, your piece of it grows too. Stocks are traded on platforms called stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ in the US, or the NSE and BSE in India. These exchanges are regulated by government authorities like the SEC in the US or SEBI in India to ensure transparency and fairness. Think of the stock market like a big supermarket, but instead of buying groceries, people are buying and selling ownership in companies. Types of stocks. Now, not all stocks are the same. You'll hear terms like blue-chip stocks. These are large, stable companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Reliance Industries. Then there are mid-cap and small-cap stocks, which represent medium or small-sized companies. These often offer higher growth potential but also carry higher risks. You also have dividend stocks, which pay you a portion of the company's profit regularly. On the other hand, growth stocks are focused on increasing in value over time. For example, Tesla doesn't pay dividends, but its stock price has seen huge growth over the years. Choosing the right type of stock depends on your goals and risk tolerance. Common strategies for beginners. Let's talk strategy. If you're just starting out, the best approach is long-term investing. Pick quality stocks or mutual funds, invest regularly, and hold them for years. One of the best ways to do this is through SIP, systematic investment plans, where you invest a fixed amount every month into mutual funds or ETFs. Another key principle is diversification. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread your investments across different companies and sectors to reduce risk. And one golden rule: never try to time the market. No one can predict the market's short-term ups and downs. Stay invested, stay consistent. Mistakes to avoid. Many new investors lose money not because the market is bad, but because they make emotional decisions. Don't invest based on hype or social media tips. Avoid the fear of missing out, or FOMO, which leads to buying at high prices. Don't sell your investments the moment they drop. Remember, short-term volatility is normal. Always do your own research, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. The goal is to build wealth steadily, not to gamble your savings. Congratulations! You've just completed a full stock market crash course. You now understand what stocks are, how markets work, how to pick good companies, and how to avoid common mistakes. The next step is simple: take action. Open your Demat account, start with small investments, and stay disciplined. With patience and the right knowledge, the stock market can truly change your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more in-depth videos on finance and investing. Comment below and tell me, what topic do you want us to cover next? Until next time, stay wise, stay wealthy.